Hey guys, for my FLE grant project, I decided to do a program focusing on improving well-being. So this program is going to be a 6-week program for students that are in high school. This program is going to allow students that are feeling depressed and anxious and basically give them a support system to help them form informal social support. So making sure that they feel comfortable in certain situations and giving them tips on how to improve themselves. So while attending this program, students will meet after school for about 2 hours. There will be numerous opportunities for individuals to express their thoughts and emotions on how they're feeling. And every other week, there will be a guest speaker to provide tips and activities on how to improve their overall well-being. There will also be snacks provided after school, and every meeting there will be a new topic and goal for each individual to accomplish for the day. So the target population is going to be targeting high schoolers that are at Madison Central. The targeted age group is ages 14 to 18, and the population will be roughly around 20 participants. So this is a nonprofit organization, but the goals are: 1, to provide a safe and judge-free environment for students to express how they feel. 2, to give a support system that they feel can be trusted and honest. 3, for students to feel better and more positive about themselves after each meeting. And 4, to apply the tips which result in improved overall well-being. So where this will be located is, the location will be at Madison Central High School, obviously, because it is for Madison Central high schoolers. Some days, depending on the weather, we will have outside activities for them to do, maybe go on walks, just depending on how the weather is. So identifying, selecting, and recruiting. Identifying will be the children who self-identify that they would like to talk to someone or a teacher referral to the counselor, and flyers including anyone who would like to participate, so they would be posted all around the school. Selecting would be, I'll select the names of individuals who fit the criteria for the program. And recruiting will be students who are attending Madison Central who talk to the counselor that express themselves of feeling depressed, anxious, or stressed, and they'll have a flyer emailed to their parents/guardian about consenting for the program. After that, I will then hold a pre-interview for each student to see if they are interested in the program and if they are appropriate for the program as well. Then we have the evaluation. The students that will be provided an evaluation before and after survey of each meeting to evaluate their overall well-being on a brief 5-question survey. And at the very end of the program, students will do an overall survey of their experience and what they liked, disliked, and what needs to be improved about the program. And then the staff and supplies. The staff will hold the program leader/coordinator, 2 other counselors, and 1 volunteer/intern. So that would probably be like a college student that is needing high school intern hours. The supplies will be food and snacks, recreational activities, art supplies, board games, miscellaneous. And then so overall for this program, what I'm asking is for $3,100. That will cover all of the expenses of food for the snacks and board games, recreational activities, paying the staff, and yeah, so let me know what you all think and let me know if you have any questions on this program. Thanks. Have a good day.